Welcome back, my lovely first graders. Now we're going to be doing our beautiful science class. I hope some of you are excited. I sure am to talk to you guys about this new topic. So we're leaving our plants behind for a little while and we're going to start talking about animals. So for any of you who love animals, which I know a lot of you do, this will be an exciting chapter. So the first thing we're going to be talking about are animal parents and their offsprings. And we're going to start this off by you guys just looking at this picture right here of these cute little armadillos. And you're going to think, what keeps these animals safe? If you look at them, what do you think keeps them safe? Now, you're going to pause the video. You're going to write down the answer in your notebook before we continue. So make sure to pause the video right now and write the answer in your notebook. Once you are done, you come back to me, okay? Then, it wants us to be able to see what an armadillo can do. So I don't know what you wrote in your notebooks, but this should give you an idea of how an armadillo protects themselves. We're going to open it up so you guys can see it clearly. And see this little ball transform. Do you see it? That is how an armadillo protects itself. It turns itself into a little tiny ball and it protects itself from anything that might try to eat it. Now, after seeing that video and looking at that picture, what have you seen? Is there anything that you wonder? Is there any question you may have? You don't have to write it in your notebook, but if you have any questions, make sure to ask your dad or your mom to post it so we can talk about it, okay? Now, as a little extra fact, it tells us that only the 3-banded armadillo can roll up into a ball. That means it's the one that has only the 3 little claws. It's the only one that can roll up into a ball to protect itself. And the hard shell prevents any animals from eating it. Now, if we get out of here, we're going to talk also about zoologists. Now, what could a zoologist be? If we're talking about animals and a zoologist, which means somebody who studies something, what could they be studying? Let's see. Let's try again. There we go. It's working. Okay, what does a zoologist do? I wish I had you guys in front of me so we could actually discuss it, but I'm sure you're coming up with some answers on your own. A zoologist is a scientist who works with animals. Zoologists study animals. They learn about what animals eat, they study how animals behave, and they find out how people, like you and me, affect these animals. Zoologists can work in zoos. So if any of you were thinking of working with animals when you got older, maybe you could be a zoologist. Now, there's a little bit more work for you guys to do. You have to answer this question. What does a zoologist need to know about animals? Now, we just read it, so you guys could go back in the video and think about it, so you guys can work out the answer with your parents. What does a zoologist need to know about animals? And when you're done writing your answer, you're going to draw a picture of an animal a zoologist might work with. So, it could even possibly be your favorite animal. So, think about it carefully. What type of animal could a zoologist work with? Once you are done, make sure to send me a picture. I cannot wait to see your beautiful drawings. So, thank you guys for being here, and if you have any doubts, please make sure to ask.